Welcome to an overview of essential database management systems topics: backup, restore, and SQL injection. In this video, we'll cover critical operations for data safety and security, as well as modern connectivity methods. In database management, backup and restore operations are essential for protecting data. A backup is a copy saved in another location. This allows the system to recover data in case of system failure, accidental deletion, or corruption, maintaining system reliability. In MySQL, backups are typically created using the MySQL dump utility from the command line, exporting the database into a SQL file. If the database is lost, the restore command reads that SQL file to recreate the database structure and its data, which is critical for disaster recovery. Next, let's discuss a major security threat in database management: SQL injection. SQL injection is a cyber attack where an attacker manipulates an SQL query to gain unauthorized access to a database. By interfering with the query structure, attackers can retrieve sensitive information like user details, passwords, or administrative data. In simple terms, SQL injection happens when malicious SQL code is inserted into user input fields, such as login forms or search boxes, if input validation is missing. Let's walk through a simple example to see exactly how an SQL injection attack works. A normal login system sends a query to select records where the username and password match the entered values. A match grants access, otherwise it's denied. An attacker can bypass this by entering input like OR1 equals 1. Since, quote, 1 equals 1 foot is always true, and the double dash ignores the rest of the query, the system may incorrectly grant access. To secure your applications and prevent SQL injection attacks, developers must apply proper security practices. First, user input must be validated and sanitized. Special characters, like quotes, should be escaped or converted so they are not executed as SQL commands. Another crucial method is using parameterized queries or prepared statements. This treats user input strictly as data, separating it from the SQL command to safely process requests. Finally, let's look at how to connect MySQL with cloud environments like Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud platform for Python data analysis. Using special libraries, you can establish a connection between your MySQL database and a Colab notebook. This integration allows developers and data scientists to retrieve, analyze, and manipulate database data directly within the cloud, which is key for data science and machine learning workflows.